Hey! Welcome back to Gleezzle. Here, you'll test your observation skills, sharpen your eyesight, challenge your IQ, and improve your focus with fun and exciting puzzles. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question number 1. Can your sharp eyes find the odd cat? You have only 15 seconds to spot it. I think this one is pretty easy. Congratulations! Here it is. Question number 2. This time, only the sharpest eyes can find the different emoji. Keep trying. You can do it. Oh yeah, it's right there. Question number 3. Let's see if you can find the odd one out before time runs out. Did you find the odd one? Comment the timestamp before the timer reaches halfway. That's right. The N is the odd one out on this page. Question number 4. Can you guess the name of the fruit? If you couldn't find it, I can give you a hint. This fruit is nearly black in color. Yes, you got it. It's a cherry. Question number 5. Find the odd one out. Yes, the odd banana is exactly right there. Can you guess the word represented by these two emojis? Did you get it? It's a lobster. Question number 7. Can you find the different looking Hello Kitty? Oh yeah, it's here. Question number 8. Are you guys ready? Let's test your fate. Choose your gift box. I'm super excited. Let's unbox your gift together. Did you like your gift? Comment below with the timestamp of your favorite moment and share your feelings. Question number 9. Question number 10. Question number 11. Question number 12. Question number 13. Question number 14. Question number 15. Question number 16. Question number 17.